Hello and welcome to another video from Miss T Ideas. Well, today I've been waiting on a Temu order. I don't know what's been going on. I mean, look like they're taking a long time, much longer than usual. And hey, I guess everybody's experiencing that. I don't know, depending on where your order coming from, I guess. But welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like anything you see. I'm heading for 500 subscribers. Help me get to that. If you hit the like button, it'll help me get to the algorithm. Trying to grow my little channel. Anyway, if you've been here with me, rocking with me since day one, I appreciate you so much. So much. And I am watching y'all videos too. Because I'm learning how to doodle, trying to learn. Anyway, here we go. What I'm going to do, I'm so excited that a order came in. I don't know what it is. It's been gone so long, so I don't know what it is. So I'm going to open it up with y'all. My Temu order. Unboxing. Ta-da! Let's see here. Let's see what I got. I got my paper. That's some pretty paper. My favorite colors are teal and brown, teal and pink. Whatever is mixed up with teal being the main color. Yeah, that's what I like. Pretty. I remember ordering this. It's been a long time, but I remember ordering it. There's some paper. There's some colorful paper, I guess. Okay. Let's see what else I got. It's been so long. Uh-oh. I got some stencils. Bird, the butterfly. I like that. So I can stencil my pages for my junk journal. Last time I was on here, I think I was making the coffee dyed papers for my junk journals. I like this. I like birds and a butterfly. Look at the hummingbird. And my favorite thing is the dragonfly. Bigger than that though. The dragonfly. Okay. Ooh, I got a pack of something. Let me see. Let me open something else first. Let me see. Some small stuff first. I got single stencils. A background. You know, background scenery when you're junk journaling. I'm going to enjoy that. You can decorate your page. Got clocks and dolls and stuff like that. And they're writing. Okay. And it's big. Nice. Nice. Let's see what else. This video ain't gonna be long, but I have some more videos because I am doodling. I am cutting out collage doodles out of magazines. I'm doing the most around here, y'all. A junk journal, glue journal. I also art journal and a Bible journal. So journaling is my thing. Okay. Let's see. Another stencil, got a little butterfly in a brick wall door or something. Yeah. A lamp. My son-in-law and them came over. My son-in-law and daughter came over yesterday, and they installed some security cameras and stuff for me. They bought me some security cameras and they installed this alarm system. I can see y'all down the road. I can see anybody 360. I appreciate it. So they took it up on themselves. This is another stencil I have, a music stencil. And you know, we use all of that in junk journal when we junk journal. If you've been here a while, I'm sure you've seen some of my journals. If you haven't, go back and check out my my playlist, the videos. Okay, this is some music notes. That come in handy too. You know, I like to get what I use. You know, because nobody ain't got time to get stuff and just put it that you don't use. I ain't got it like that. Okay. This is some little papers look like. Let me check it out. I don't know what it is. Little collage papers. You know, collage it with other stuff. Oh, nice. Nice. And the texture is so nice. It's not just flimsy. The texture is nice. It's not cardboardish, but it's in between paper and a little cardboardish. I mean, a good texture. Wow, I like this. I like this. I may have the collage index card today. I like it. I like it. I do. And I mean, it got several. This is all. I'm gonna really use this. All gonna come in handy. So I love numbers. Love numbers. I didn't like it in school though. Math. I love numbers. I love the numbers. They keep the math. I love the numbers. Okay. I've been and I think the last video I got my gel mat. My gel mat, Amazon Prime was on sale last week, and I got a gel mat. It's stuff that I'm gonna need it because I'm dabbling with painting, and I think that's interesting. Let's see what else I got. What's in this box? I got a box. I don't know what's in this box. What's in this box? Oh. I know what's in this box. Dun. Let's see. And I'm sure you guys know what's in this box. If you ever ordered something in the craft world. That's tape. Washi tape. 6 big rolls look like. Open this up. Let me open this up and check out what's going on. So all things that help me do what I do. I enjoy doing. Oh, actually, big ones. I've never had no big washers like this. Let me see. Oh, slide it out like a drawer. Come on. Come on. Let's see. Okay. Okay, I see you, washi tape. Oh. Okay. This is more. Nice. 6 of them with different themes. That's the calendar one. And the roll is pretty okay. And this is some postage ones. Simply heartfelt. Some affirmations. Let's see. Garden storytelling. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Smile. Okay, some more postage. Very nice. I need to keep this box too. So this is washi tape with different designs on it. I love it. I think I love it. Okay, we're going to move on to what's next. Okay, this is last but certainly not least. Some stamps. A pack of stamps. I'd ask y'all on one video, those that use these stamps, journal or whatever you do, if you use these stamps, I would like to know how y'all keep it all together, keep them together. Cause once you take it off the little pad it's on, you wash it and you got to put it back somewhere. I mean, keep it in order. I kind of put it back on the sleeve it came with, but I would like a nicer something. So I would like to know. This is one. This has got turtles. This one here is representing turtles. Let's see. It's time to celebrate. Time to celebrate. It's spelled S-H-E-L-L-E-B-R-E-T. Celebrate. It's time to celebrate. Celebrate. Okay. Celebrate good times. Come on. Okay. No. Don't do it. This is some scenic stuff. This is a what you call them, towers? Some people, I got a friend that collect them. They're on the tip of my tongue. On the tip of my tongue. Watch houses or something like that. Some clouds. They send me some clouds. I've been doodling clouds today, along with other stuff. This is a real celebration. Got wine glasses and cheers and toast to and wishing you a scrumptious season. All right. Nice. That's nice. This is the third one out of this pack. There's some candles. I think this must be a Christmas one. Christmas cheer. Yeah. Merry and bright. Aw. They thought of everything. Yeah, look. I love butterflies. But my favorite is dragonfly. Oh, I love a dragonfly. Bigger the better. Dragonfly. I had a bracelet and ensemble set a long time ago. I had the dragonfly necklace with the blue, blue jewelry. Yeah, like the light blue jewelry. I can't think what to call it right now, but it was a big dragonfly, and I had some little earrings and a bracelet. I was back a long time ago. I love this butterfly. It's well done. Yes, it is. This is a birthday one. If you make cards, this is a birthday one. So you can make Christmas cards. This is a birthday one. You can make cards. Birthday wishes. Got the box. Matter of fact, my grandson got a birthday coming up this month. I may make him a card. To a wonderful. This one's to a wonderful friend. It's for you and Joy. Okay. Nice. This outdoor planting and picking and pruning and grooming your yard. But it say dad. Don't say mom. It say dad. Dad to do. It's for dad to do. Oh, it's a Father's Day thing. Happy Father's Day. Thanks for helping me grow. Best wishes. And they got all the stuff that the father can work with. To the man who can do anything. There you go. There you go. Take all that stuff and go on and do the yard and things. All right. Let's see. Hello there. Sending hugs. Dear friend, how are you? Okay, this is some greetings. And they got some little flowers to go with it. Nice. Okay. You can send something to your old friends, old and new. Okay, what is this? Mouse. This is a mouse Christmas. It says, Merry Christmas, Mouse. Y'all don't see my face, but look at my hands. Merry Christmas. My hands is saying what my face is saying. Like, okay. Right. The mouse is singing. The mouse got a little Christmas branch with a bulb on it. Some little caroling mouses. Bring little gifts. Bum. Okay. It says time to deck the halls. Wishing you a festive season. Yeah, this is nice. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. M-O-U-S-E. That's what they say. Christmas. This is nice, y'all, coming. You know, this is nice. And I gotta, the way I gotta store my stuff, I gotta store it where I can see it. Or I'll forget about it. Got a glare on here. I got a light under this. This is also, no, this is Easter. Y'all, every holiday. If you make cards, you got a card theme for every holiday. I haven't made any cards like to give away, but I've bought some cards. Some blank cards. And this is a very good idea. Even if you make one to yourself, this is a Christmas card. Well, got one. Let me see how many came in a pack of these stencils. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got a happy dad's Father's Day, but they ain't got no happy Mother's Day. How about that? 5, 6, 7. Of course, if they was giving me all them power tools and saying Happy Mother's Day to me, you know, somebody would have to be laughing. It had to be a joke. Okay. If somebody get me a Happy Mother's Day and they put pots on it and stuff, kitchenware for me to go cook, that's not. No, don't do that. Okay, let me lost count. 1, 2. There's a lighthouse. People collect those. 1, 2, and the people that collect them, they really collect them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 y'all came in one pack, and I tell you, I bet you, I only paid maybe $2 and something. I can't remember what I paid for it, but I know me, you know. Frugal. All right. Well, this was my unboxing, and thank you for being here. It's the end of my video. I appreciate y'all all. Please hit the like, share, and subscribe, and drop a comment. If you like any of these things you see, or even if you don't, just support the channel. I appreciate you. I miss T Ideas, and I'm closing the video. See you till next video. Tongue tied. I guess I'm choked up from all my good stuff. I don't know. But I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.